What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm absolutely bored. Was at work this morning, I started on the early and I finished at like 3 o'clock and I've been home for a couple of hours and I'm bored already. So I think what we're going to do is go outside and give the car, like the inside, a clean. It's not going to be like a deep clean, it's just going to be a basic sort of hoover, wipe down, just a bit of a tidy up, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do on a basic car wash. Car clean, interior clean. Okay, so step one, we're going to get out some cleaning essentials. So let's see what we've got in this nice auto finesse bag. I'm going to need that. I'm also going to need, is that my one for the inside? Yep, that. Also going to need, where is it? That. And I'm also, let's just get a new one out. I'm going to need that. Right, so step one is what I do is I use some interior auto clean shampoo. Make sure it's on, and then what I do is just simply cut little sprays, and you can do it just obviously don't get it into your USB a bit, just spray a bit there. Then what I do is get our little detailing brush, give it a good old clean up down here, just like so. And as you can see, it's got a nice sort of like shampoo-y sort of soapy sort of texture. And then what we do is we'll get our older cloth, put that in like there, give it a swivel around. Same with that one, right there. Just keep doing that. So you've got all the bubbles and stuff, and then the same in this bit. Right, so my next bit that I'm going to do, first draw out my wonky glasses, there you go. So my next bit that I'm going to do is, I'm going to do all the dashboard. I like to work from top to bottom. I know that was at the bottom, but work from the top, do all the dash, do also your clocks and stuff, and just get inside everywhere. Just get all into this. This is a nightmare. Where it's gloss, picks up so many fingerprints. But once it's clean, it looks so nice. Really, really nice. People doing their daily exercises, running past. All into the fans. You can use that brush to get into there that I was using for down in the cubby hole. You can use it all there. I don't know why my camera keeps focusing in and out today. It's really annoying. Let's do this bit. This is another bit that collects so much rubbish, which you can use the brush on again. What I do is make sure I've got a dry bit of the cloth and I just whip around the steering wheel. I don't put no product on the steering wheel though, because I don't want to make it slippery or anything like that, because it just makes it dangerous. Down into this section. And then what I'm going to do now, I've done all down there, as you can see. What I'm going to do now is do all down here, all these door trims, and then we're going to move onto the door. Right guys, so my next step is what I do is I'll spray loads of the interior shampoo into my microfiber here, and I'll give the door card a really good clean all around. Don't touch this material bit with it. That's what I don't do. I get another sort of cleaner onto that later on. Probably not in this video. That's when I do a good deep clean, when I clean all the seats, like wet vac and that. But what we'll do is give this a scrub. I'm going to do it off camera because I don't want to bore you, and then we'll move on to the hoovering part of it. Right, so this really isn't the best view or camera angle, shall I say, for now. But what I've done is jumped in the back of the car, and what I basically do is give all these trims a good wipe over, just sort of use the same cloth because it's got a bit of residue already in it. I just wipe over the leather parts of the seats just because they are quite a dust collector. Give it a nice wipe over. Again, this is a perfect opportunity to do behind the armrest, and I've only just ever actually realised I never come in the back of my car. I've actually realised I've got a cigarette lighter in the back. Not that I smoke, but it's handy if you ever want to plug stuff in. Oh, look at this, guys. You can tell I'm a manager for Tesco's. Tesco's label. What is it? Aqua, raspberry and apple. Wicked. So, hit up Tesco's. Right, so my next step is I've got some Auto Finesse Crystal. Basically it's a glass cleaner, and then what I do is go around the whole car cleaning the interior of the glass. So literally just a simple spray on a glass cleaning cloth, and then I buff it off with a microfiber. So before I get onto the hoovering, what I like to do is just quickly give the pedals a quick clean. So simply just spray it on. If he unlocks it, spray it on just like so, and get another brush, I've got two of these, and just scrub away. So that's after just spending literally a couple of minutes on them. Scrub away, wipe it over with microfiber, and it comes out like this. Like I said, this is just a quick basic clean, but that's what I like to do. So what we're going to do now is hop over to something else. So the next step that I'm going to do is get the old Henry Hoover out, let him let him loose, and we're just going to hoover the mats, the interior of the car, so on. I'm going to do it off camera because I've only got one hand, haven't got a tripod or anything, so it's all a bit hard to film on your own. But yeah, I'm going to take the mats out, give the interior a good hoover, and hopefully it will all be nice and clean. Well, no, hopefully it will be. Right, so the car's all hoovered out. I finished it off one little touch. It's called Sweet Air by Ads Car Care. It's basically, it smells so nice. It's, I don't know if it has what it's actually got in it. A Sweet Shop Scent Air Freshener. Oh, it just smells so good. What I simply do is just spray it all over my mats. A nice little spray. Looks really wet to start with, but it just seeps in. I do that to all four. I give it a couple of sprays up here, like boom, 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 to make it smell nice. So when I get into my car at 4 o'clock in the morning to go to work, it smells absolutely banging. And just like that, a nice interior clean for the ST. Okay guys, so that's my interior clean done. Like I say, this is how I do my interior clean. I have to just like emphasize that just the pure fact is there's so many people on YouTube, keyboard warriors that be like, oh, you're doing this wrong, you're doing that wrong. That's how I clean it. Like I say, I'm no detailer, I'm no expert, but it looks good. I'm happy with it. I will do a full clean, so I'm going to take out all the seats and give it a good hoover, a good clean that, because that's just parts of that hoover that you just can't get to without taking the seats out. So I'm going to do that as well while we're isolating, because obviously it's boring on my days off. So that will be to follow. Might film it, might not. I'll just see how it goes. So keep up all the great support. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to go and check out blue_st180 on Instagram, where I myself post, that's my car account. When I do live videos now and again. I'll post like polls that we can all enter. Might also get a little sneak peek of what's happened to the car before it even goes onto the channel. So anyway guys, like I say, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video.